So we're going to demonstrate standing biceps curls, but all the exercises that you're about to see, you can also perform them seated on a bench with a bit more back stability. So we're going to start, and we're just going to start with rolling our shoulder blades backwards, and from there we're going to gradually initiate with the biceps and bring the dumbbells all the way up. So just find a range that's comfortable for you, where you can find that you are contracting with the biceps. We don't want to be swinging the weight all the way up. We really want the movement to be very, very local to the biceps as we come down. We're going to make sure that our abs are staying nice and tight, and that we're keeping our knees soft throughout the move. Now, as well as a normal bicep curl, you can also perform a hammer curl, where instead of bringing your wrist towards your face, you would just keep the wrist neutral, which in this case might look like the movement is a little bit tighter towards your chest. And like with any bicep movement with a dumbbell, you can always do it unilaterally, so bringing one hand up at a time, or you can do them at the same time as we've just been demonstrating. And these are your dumbbell bicep curl variations.